Wala pang cash outflow. So, dito tayo sa general journal. So, date niya again is, invoice date is June 2025. And this is June 15. So, yung i-debit nyo is the expense. So, again, this is the marketing and advertising expense. So, debit nyo marketing and advertising expense. So, for the amount of, ito yung amount niya, 1699. Again, non-VAT to. If VAT kayo, input VAT itong value-added tax. But in our example, this is a non-VAT registered. So, 1699. Dito kayo sa debit. 1699. And then, ano yung i-credit nyo? Credit kayo ng accounts payable. Ayan. So, the accounts payable is 1699. Ayan. So, to record, internet monthly subscription. Ayan.